Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And guess what? Where I am? I'm in Goa. And if you watched the match yesterday, I'm sure you will be ecstatic because of the victory. So, congratulations to Team India and everyone who was supporting India. It was such a good feeling. All right, guys. So, since I'm here due to an emergency, I thought of showing you guys around and taking you through a virtual tour of the beach here. I'll go outside on the main road, then we'll go towards Tito's Lane, and we'll just take a virtual tour here and show you guys the vibe here and what is happening. Alright guys, so I'm starting my virtual tour here. So if you see here, this is the Baga River that connects to the ocean there, and if you see here on the beach, there are a lot of people. I mean, although this is the monsoon season, there are still so many people here on the beach. And if you see here, there were many shacks here during the season time, but all the shacks have disappeared. I can just see St. Anthony's in the distance there, and if you see towards this side, I mean, who will say this is the off season? And there are some couple of gentlemen there who are fishing. Well, so not much to see on the beach here. I mean, if you're here, you can definitely come here, take off your footwear and relax here. The view here is great. But in case if you're coming here to visit the shacks, they have taken off the shacks because of the off-season time. So what we will do now is we will get out on this road and I will take you around and show you guys what's there outside. I would like to thank Adrienne. She's always there with me in the videos, and thanks to her, she'll be taking us around on this virtual tour. She's going to be a pilot. And if you look behind us, look at this beautiful chapel. So this one is called Nustekarancho Khuris, which basically means fisherman's cross. So this is right here towards the end of the beach. In case if you visit this side, these guys with the pouches, these guys will charge you a small fee to park your two-wheelers here. And yes, as I said earlier, there are so many people here. I mean, who would guess this is off season? Look at the number of people that have been coming towards the beach. And if you come towards this side, there are some taxis here. So the ones with the yellow number plate, these are taxis. So in case if you want to move around in Goa, you can get one of these taxis. But guys, make sure you bargain because they give you prices which go over the roof. Okay, now as I mentioned on the beach, this is St. Anthony's Beach Shack. This is one famous place as well. Here you can come for karaoke. Sukhothai, good for some relaxing body massage. And this one is Britos. So Britos is very well known for the fish. But to be honest with you, when I was here the last time, I found it disappointing, to be honest. And look at this beautiful church that we have passed. So once we get out of the beach area, if you have a look, there are multiple shops here. So you can come here and you can get your biryani, or if you want to buy some clothes, you can all get it here. And frankly, I would not recommend these places, especially for the food, because most of the places here are not that great for food, to be honest. We have shot many videos on some restaurants, some hidden gems in Goa where you can have some local Goan seafood. So I would suggest you check those places out. They are not too far away from here and you can definitely visit those places for food. Okay, now we are approaching Kawalas. If you see here the rooms here, this is a well-known place as well, Kawalas. And I guess on Friday nights, if I'm not mistaken, they play live jazz music. So you should check that out. Okay, take a right, Adrian. Now we are heading towards the main Baga Road. So you have to be a bit careful here behind because there's a junction. And again, if you see here, lots of shops for clothes. Now on this road, we know a couple of shops which will give you a good rate for your clothes. Look at the dream catchers here. I will show you those places as well. But just look at the vibe of the place, guys. Monsoons in Goa is so good. It's been raining since almost a week now. It gets a bit sunny sometimes, it gets hot, but overall the weather has been very, very beautiful. Last night it was raining heavily as well. Okay, now we are approaching this beautiful chapel here. So if you are in Goa, you will get to see a lot of these chapels. So make sure you pay a visit. Okay. And what else we have here? So yes, many more shops here. Yeah, so the shop that I was talking about is the ones here. These couple of shops here, they have always given me good rates, so you can try your luck here. Now we are approaching towards the Tito's lane. So we will be taking the right ahead and going in the Tito's lane. Now if you have a look here guys, look at this Casa Portuguesa. It's a restaurant, heard from many people is great. Okay, check this out. If you want Punjabi food, there are multiple options here, but again I would not recommend these places because I think they are average. I've eaten at a couple, didn't find those very great. Okay, if you're looking out for tattoos and restaurants, there are many places here. Okay, talking about tattoos, there was a scam that happened recently. If you are updated with the news in Goa, please be careful if you're going inside without any friends. Okay, just to mention the state of the roads right now, it is very bad here, so please drive carefully and please be aware. Okay, so talking about tattoos, there was a scam that happened here where people were taken inside and looted. So please be careful about that. If anyone promises you something, if they talk about girls and tells you that you can have some great company, don't believe them because there are many scams that have happened and people have been looted. So yes, okay, now we've entered the Tito's lane. As you can see here, it is so quiet. I mean, it looks very quiet. And yes, if you're looking for veg food, this is a good option. Navratna, we've eaten the food here, great. And every time I visit Tito's lane, I get to see a new club. So there used to be Cape Town, but it's gone, disappeared. This is downtown Goa. I think they have renamed it. I'm not very sure. Okay, so look at the Tito's lane guys. Not a lot of people. It looks so good. But if you're out here and if you are in North Goa and if you want to party, there's no better place than Tito's lane. Okay, now this is another famous club, Maya's, and here we are approaching Tito's and then Mambo's. So we will go towards the end. As you can see there in the distance, we can see the ocean as well. What a spectacular view this is. And we happened to see an image lately from the 70s and now it has changed drastically. So yes, this is Tito's. It used to be a hill and basically you could see the ocean there. So these are the famous places, Tito's, and there's Mambo's. You can see the board here, Mambo's board. So Mambo's is right here. And you can already hear the music playing in the background at Mambo's. So we've come here with our friends. We've had a fabulous time. So this is the end of the road. What we will do now is we will take a U-turn and we will go outside towards the main road. Well, we have made it towards the end of the entrance of Tito's lane and we have taken a right. Again guys, just look at the state of the roads. It is very sad to see the roads have been in a poor condition since it has started raining. Please be careful, especially when you are on a two-wheeler. Make sure you wear a helmet, and even if you have a four-wheeler, please be mindful of the potholes and drive responsibly. As you can see here, lots of buses still coming in with tourists. They stand here at the side and then it gets difficult. Now this again is a sorry sight to see. Someone has dumped the trash here. That is really bad guys. If you want to keep our beautiful country clean, you should be careful. And if you see here in Goa, you will get a lot of dogs and cows walking on the way. So if you're someone who's an international tourist, be careful. Unexpected things can happen. Look at the state of the road guys, very bad. Okay, anyway, coming to the positive sides, here we have another beautiful place, one of our favorite places. It's Tibetan market and you can find some very cool stuff in there, especially if you're looking for souvenirs and bracelets. You can find all that there. And this is Club Tau. So inside there is Bar de Goa, one of our favorite places to hang out. I made a video on that, so you can check. And the right here goes towards straight towards Casa de Rosa. That's where we are staying. Okay, so check this place out again, guys. So many places here. So this one here coming ahead is Baga Deck. So Baga Deck is a great place again for some good Chinese food, and they have some live music happening here as well. Smita, who is one of our friends, sings here. I guess that happens on Saturday or Friday nights. You should check it out on their Instagram page. And look at this beautiful place to stay. It's called Martins. Nice Indo-Portuguese vibes. And we were here this morning for our Sunday church services. Look at how gorgeous this chapel looks here. So if you are a tourist, you are always welcome to visit. But I saw a notice on the church board that if there is a church service going on, please don't enter directly. It's disturbing for everyone. Either wait, come before and wait inside the church, or once the services are over, you can go inside. So each and every one is welcome to visit the church. There are no restrictions as such. Okay. Now moving over to this side, there are some more restaurants. Lots of different places. This is a veg food place that has opened up 2 years ago. Okay, now what do we have here? Okay, so there's this guy who sells coconuts. In case if you want to hydrate yourself, Goa can be very hot during summers. If you want to hydrate yourself, there is a good coconut stall right here. So you can see here on the right, there are some people who are buying coconuts. So you can get coconuts from there. Okay. Let's move further. So if you see here, there are turns here, and there are some cars that just move on to the main road without any signal, and people, they overtake you from the left. So please be extra careful. Again, we have Navtara here, veg food. Okay. Now we are going towards Kalangut. So there are a couple of more places that I want to see. Guys, police is right here. So be careful, ride safely. Look at the beautiful houses here, guys. And so many bikes that have been parked here. So you can find parking space or rent, bikes on rent. Okay, so if you are someone who loves junk food once in a while like we do, McDonald's is right here. The breakfast options are great here. Burgers, everything is so good about McDonald's. And this is our local boy Krishna. So we are here, we come here for the Indo-Chinese and Punjabi food. Looks a small place, but it will not disappoint you. A beautiful chapel, and this is again a famous place called Infanteria. So you can come here in the morning and grab some patties, some baked items, cakes and stuff. Okay, what do we have here? So we are approaching now towards the Kalangut circle, and as you can see here, Karnataka car. So a lot of people have driven here from other states as well. Now we are heading over to the circle. Well guys, that's it for our virtual tour of Baga, and we will be heading now to Kalangut, but that will be in a separate video. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends to show what's happening here in Baga, and stay tuned. I will be posting the next video soon as well. So until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.